Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I will show you how to unbox my REDBACK boots. First of all, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. So let's go guys. In this video I will unbox my REDBACK boots, 100% Australian boot company. And by the way guys, I got this one in Sockmax Canada, but I'm not a sponsor of this store. Hopefully they will. The good thing in Sockmax is they will collect points whenever you buy their shoes or whatever you bought in their store. The original price of these boots is $229.99 plus tax, and then so I have points there. They give me $30 discount, so it's good there guys if you wanna buy shoes, sandals, anything guys you like to check it out there. So I just wanna help you guys out. Where did I buy it? But anyway, you can buy it in Redback Canada. They have it here in Canada. They have their store, so check it out guys. Okay, now let's begin. So let's see what this look like here in the box. And the kind of boots is that I got Bobcat Claret, and I got it the brown one. The boots guys, they have three colors, black and dark brown, which I got, and dark tan color. So if you want to check it out guys, the colors, what you like. And I'm 6 in USA and I'm 39 in Euro. But it's certified product, Australian standard, and still to model made to accredited quality system certified. So let's redeem it. Guys, oh, looks so pretty guys. So let's take out in the box. Look at this guys, with the spider here, and this is size 5 here. So this is the sign of the size 5, and there's some tag here, do not remove, of the color, which I love it, red and black. See here and here, it's so made stand out, this boots guys. It's very look unique, and oh my gosh, I love it. The material of this is leather and rubber guys. And guys, I like the way they really made these boots, all these boots I think. And then they have this logo here, the REDBACK, and you see the seam, how they do their seam thread, how it's very nice, and it's very clean guys, and it's very lightweight guys. So really unique one. And in the bottom here, it's REDBACK said here, and this is spider here, and made in Australia, oil and acid resistant guys. Isn't that cool guys? And really nice one. So if you with boots now, because that one helps for the flexibility of the shoes, so it's give you the comfortable and really nice for long walk or whatever you do. They said that you're not gonna have some pain or uncomfortable. So this is for comfortable, flexible to wear it. And look at this rubber here. And this is the garterized or something, but it's really thick. And this one you use for the, when you slip on, you just pull this one and put your feet here and just hold it and slip on. Easy to slip on guys, this one. Stuff here that you can learn. TO stands for thermo-10. It's almost always combined with midsole for like safety, make it more comfortable to wear. Benefited with this. A heel, reinforcement, 3-layer. Counter design provides longer lasting lateral stability. Heel shape with no rough edges. So that's the main support system here guys. A 2-component urethane air cushion midsole contains millions of tiny air bubbles to enhance shock absorption, energy return, contributes to an overall lightweight design. So it's flexibility in cold temperature guys. Multi-directional lug design provides increased traction on all surfaces guys. This one, the sole guys. Compression molded translucent polyurethane, toughness and resistant to cracking and splitting, great flexibility in cold temperature, oil, acid, and slip resistant. Multi-directional lug design provides increased traction on all surfaces guys. Footbed insulation guys, you can take it off. It's said here, OC made, OC own. See guys, and there's the spider guys, and there's a spider here to code here. Okay, so guys, it's in the middle here. It's atomic support. Means that unlike traditional boots, REDBACK's unique atomic sole cradles the foot to reduce arch sagging and prevents strain, fatigue, and related leg and back pain. So this one, it helps your, like, prevent the back pain, sagging of arch, support, fatigue, and strains. It's very good, guys. It's helped, especially me. I have back pain and legs. Foot Smart is something in here too. Foot Smart design. The REDBACK design encourages flexing out of the forefoot and provides stability in the heel, maximum support and control here, guys. REDBACK boots are recommended by leading podiatrist. Podiatrist means a person who treats the feet and the ailments of a toe has discharge. It is like infected, needs to be treated by a podiatrist. So that's the meaning, guys. Good in all and everything what it said here, but most of them, it's their comments in this one, the reviews, is all good, guys. So okay, we'll check how you care with this. You can use the how to care for your REDBACK boots. This 100% organic leather rejuvenator will clean, hydrate, protects, and keep your REDBACK boots looking the best they can be. You can use that one, like they have it. You can buy it there, wipe, dry, and hydrate. So you can wipe it if you have leather. I think you don't have to buy like the expensive one here, but you just follow the instruction or use the leather care if you have, and if you want, you can buy the leather care too. So that's the instruction that they said here. So you have to taking care of regularly of your boots. Regular cleaning is recommended with damp cloth. Then when dry, apply silicone wax or polish depending on leather. The use of waxes or polishes may darken a leather. Nubuck or should be cleaned with a swede or nubuck brush. Extra protector can be achieved by using a swede or nubuck protectant or waterproofing spray, guys. Then after you clean your boots, you have to keep your boots in well-ventilated environments. Do not force dry at normal room temperature. So care and maintenance of these boots, guys. And I will show you guys when I trying them on and wearing it. And then when you put this boots on, you have to hold this, put your finger here, and put this, and do like that, guys. It's more easy. And they recommended this to put long socks when you break in your boots, because I find it here, it's like rubbing my back of my legs. So wear long socks so that it's protect your legs here to rub it, because it's really hurting you when you don't use long socks. So that's it look like, guys. And it's very lightweight. When you take it off, guys, go like this. It's easy. Or you go like this. So hope this video is helpful for you, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, supporting my channel, and love yourself. See you in my next one. Bye.